we have the political arm, which we call mobbing, the movement of Biafrans in Nigeria. It's a civil rights movement, a political movement. We want all Biafran activists who are politically inclined, who love politics, to be involved. Yeah, we believe that you cannot have any say, you cannot determine anything if you keep yourself away from politics. We believe that politics is the answer. Politics matters. It is the person with political power that decides what happens at any time. Yes, you may have all the money, you may have all the degrees, but the person with political power decides your fate. They can make any policy and all your millions to be worthless. The man with political power can make a decision, make a policy, and then strangle